In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Enable to install Update Android. Now, this is just a very easy and basic tutorial. All you have to do is to make sure that your phone is working well. And the first steps that we're going to do right now is to go to your phone settings and then kindly scroll down and look for your phone's about, where you can see the information of your phone, especially your device storage. Make sure that your phone has still a huge space, I mean free space, in order for you to install any updates on your phone. Second is you can just simply uninstall applications here or force them to stop for you to enable or for you to install update on your device. Now, the third thing to do here is to go back to your phone settings and make sure that your battery is not on power saving mode. Make sure that this one is toggled off. Okay, so that's it. Now, next step is to go to your phone settings again. And if you see this airplane mode here, you can turn it on. Okay, and then after you turn it on, you also need to turn it off. Turn on and turn off. Now, the next step to do here is to go to your phone settings again and go to your software update. Okay, now tap this one. Now you have to make sure that the version is up to date in order for your phone to install any application or anything that needs an update. Okay, and now the very last step is to go to your phone settings and look for your backup and reset. For me, I can see here in additional settings, tap backup and reset. Now, I do really hope that these methods will help you fix and able to install update on your Android. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.